Hello everyone, this is a 2001 S10 and I want to show you what it sounds like sometimes when it doesn't start, and I want to show you how to fix it. So let me go over here and turn the key and we'll let you listen to it. And there you go. You can hear that. It sounds like it's almost out of time. A lot of people think, well, maybe it jumped time. Maybe the distributor jumped time, you know, or the timing chain jumped. I mean, all these things people are replacing. They're tearing the engine apart and they can't figure it out. They think their fuel injectors are bad. But I'm going to show you what it is. Pretty simple fix. So let's get to it. Okay, as you can see here in this clip, I really had thought it was just a bad rotor distributor cap here, but I decided to go ahead and start spraying some spray in it and cleaning it, and I thought maybe it had a little moisture in it, but as I did this, I put it back together. It still would not start, so at this point I was really confused and really stumped, but I knew it was an electrical issue somewhere, so I did several of the tests. I put a new coil on it. I checked all the wires. We checked for firing, and we had gas, fuel, and it just sounded like it would be vapor locking when you went to start it. So somewhere I knew there was a problem. I even checked the time, checked the timing chain, checked the rotor, had it pointing at number 1, and as I put it back together here, it still would not start. Alright, everything's back together, so now we're going to go ahead and see if it starts up. And of course here you can see it's still not starting. Now at this point I'm getting a little frustrated because typically I can figure these things out pretty fast and just fix them and move on with my day, but this one here kind of had me stumped. But I knew it was an electrical issue, so I just had to stop, walk away a little bit, and come back and just dive in and do some process of elimination and eventually find out what was wrong with it. And of course the whole time the problem was staring me right in the face. Dun da da! Yep, right there, staring at me in the face. The distributor cap. Yep, it was shorting out on the inside, all kind of chaos, electrical interference going on. The spark was jumping off of the rotor button, but it wasn't going to the contacts, to the plug wire. And this was my whole issue the whole time. Now, you would not know it just by looking at that cap. It looks fine, but apparently they have a big issue of shorting out. So once I replaced this cap, check it out. Check how nice this thing sounded. A little update. We got it running. Turned out to be the distributor cap. Put another one on it. And it's running just like it should. Amazing. So if you have this problem, check this cap first. If you hear that popping when you're trying to start it, these go bad. Apparently if you look at this, you see nothing wrong with it. But we got a new one on there. It's running perfect, so hopefully this will be the tip for you to get yours started. And let me show you the other distributor that we took out. And as you can hear there, it sounds really good. Now these things, sometimes you just got to do process of elimination and figure it out, but the whole time it was in the distributor cap, it was just shorting out. So certainly check your distributor cap before you dive in too deep. If you have an S10 making the same noise and everything, and I'm still learning, and that's what a mechanic does. He learns every day, and I've been working on cars for 25, 30 years, and it's a learning process still. Now, I decided to make this little clip, short clip video here because I know some people don't like sitting through 13 to 18 minutes of video. So this is just a shorter version to show you if you have this problem, check that cap and make sure it's not shorting out, because you cannot look at it and say it's good or bad. You basically have to replace it. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this little quick video, and if you like my videos and all that good stuff, subscribe, and have any questions, I'll try to answer them. So other than that, I'm happy it's fixed, and I can go inside now and enjoy the nice evening where it's warm and dry. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, later. sounds like new again. So there you go.